안녕하세요. Welcome back to Easy Korean PH. So we have another lesson here. So this one is all about the Hangul, or the Korean letter or the alphabet. Basically, in this video, I'll be discussing the 10 basic vowels, and then we'll be reading words, no, or at least 2 syllables using the 10 basic vowels. Anyway, before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly click that subscribe button for more of these lessons. Okay, so before we proceed with the 10 basic vowels, so let's have this short introduction muna for us to understand more the Korean syllable. Okay, first, Korean word is written into blocks that make up one syllable. So, ibig sabihin, Korean word, it's also written per syllable. So, same lang. Okay, for example, you have the word money. Money. Okay, so that word is consists of 2 syllables, right? Okay, first, we have ma. The second, you have ni, money. So in Korean word, same lang, no? It is also written per syllable. Okay, next. The basic unit of Korean syllable is composed of 1 consonant and 1 vowel. So ibig sabihin, before we can make a Korean syllable, we should consider this one. 1 consonant and 1 vowel. So hindi siya pwedeng consonant alone, hindi din siya pwedeng vowel alone. So it should be tandem. Okay, third, Korean syllable starts with a consonant. So, lahat ng Korean syllable, it always starts with a consonant. However, if you have a vowel starting words or a syllable, so we'll be using this one. The iyong, the zero sound vowel consonant, is placed first for vowel starting syllable. So, once again, if you have a vowel starting word or syllable, we'll be putting this one, the iyong. Iyong. This one is the iyong. Iyong is actually a consonant. Zero sound value consonant. So, ibig sabihin, wala siyang sound value. Kahit anong i-partner mo sa kanya na vowel, the sound value of that vowel is same lang. So, we'll be needing iyong just to meet the requirement, which is 1 consonant and 1 vowel. Okay, next. Hangul consists of the following: 10 basic vowels, or the mo-um. Mo-um. 11 double vowels, or the i-chong mo-um. I-chong mo-um. 14 basic consonants, cha-um. Cha-um. 5 double consonants, sang cha-um. Sang cha-um. So once again, 10 basic vowels, mo-um. 11 double vowels, i-chong mo-um. So all in all, you have 21 vowels. Then 14 basic consonants, cha-um, 5 double consonants, or the sang cha-um. So they have 19 consonants. So all in all, Hangul consists of 40 characters or 40 letters. Okay, so we have here the 10 basic vowels, or the mo-um. So I'll be discussing the sound value of these letters or characters. Okay, first we have here, we have the a. Okay, the sound value of this character is a. Okay, second, ya. Ya. Third, o. O. Fourth, yo. Yo. Fifth, u. U. Sixth, yo. Yo. 7, u. U. 8, u. U. 9, u. U. 10, we have e. E. So once again, the sound value of this character, a, ya, o, yo, u, yo, u, u, e. Okay, now to make it easier, so let's have the romanization. Okay, first, a, ya, o, yo. So as you can see, this one, o, jaw dropping. So ibig sabihin when you're pronouncing this character, so your jaw is dropping, no? O. So same with this one. Yo. Yo. Okay, next we have U. Simple circle. U. Yo. So same lang. Simple circle. Yo. U. So this one. So I called this one as kissable, no? So ibig sabihin your lip is extending. U. Okay, next you have U. So same lang. U. Okay, next you have U. U. So as you can see, that is half lip. So when you're pronouncing this character, so half lip. U. And then lastly we have E. O bagsak. Okay, so let's repeat once again. Okay, first A. Ya. O. Yo. U. Yu. U. Yu. U. I. A. Ya. O. Yo. U. Yu. U. Yu. U. I. Okay, when writing the Korean letter, so we need to follow this one, the proper stroke order. We have top to bottom, left to right. Okay, example is this one. We have the vowel A. So start from the top to bottom, left to right. Top to bottom, left to right. Okay, how about this one? We have the vowel Yo. Okay, so we have 3 lines here. So same pa rin. So start from the top to bottom, left to right. Top to bottom, left to right. Okay, so this time we'll be reading Korean words with at least 2 syllables, no? Using the 10 basic vowels. Okay, anyway, as we discussed earlier, Korean syllable is composed of a consonant and a vowel. And then it always starts with a consonant, no? So if ever you have a vowel starting word or a syllable, we'll be needing this one, the iyong, the 0 sound vowel consonant. So we attached iyong here just to meet the requirements, which is 1 consonant and 1 vowel to make it a syllable. Okay, as you can see, we have here the 10 basic vowels combined with the iyong. Okay, now let us try to read. So this one, we have the vowel A. So first syllable, you have A. Okay, let us try to combine with this vowel. So we have the vowel E. Okay, so once again, first syllable, you have A. Second syllable, we have E. Okay, so we have the word A, E. So combined together, you have I. I. So first syllable A, second syllable E. I. So this word is actually composed of 2 syllables, no? Your first syllable A and then E. Okay, another. This one, let's try to read this one. First syllable, you have U. This one, U. Second syllable, you have U. This one, U. So once again, first syllable U, second syllable U. So we have the word uyu. Uyu. Okay, next, third. Let us try to read this one. First syllable, you have O. This one, O. Okay, second syllable, you have E. This one, E. Okay, first syllable, U. Second syllable, E. So we have the word Oi. Oi. Okay, so let us repeat. First, number 1. First syllable, A. Combined with the vowel E. So we have the word I. I. Okay, number 2. U. combined with the vowel U. So we have the word uyu. Okay, number 3, we have O. This one, combined with the vowel E. Okay, number 3, we have the word oi. Oi. Okay, so those are the 10 basic vowels, no? So anyway, you just need to memorize or familiarize these characters, especially the sound value of these letters. Okay, so that is the first part of this basic lesson. On the next video, which is the part 2, we'll be discussing the 11 double vowels, and then we'll be combining this basic vowel with the double vowels. Okay, so that's all for this video. 시간 주셔서 감사합니다.